Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we start our 11th English medium subject chemistry, chapter number 2. Now let's start. Discuss explanation of line spectrum of hydrogen. Topic name is explanation of line spectrum hydrogen. So in hydrogen, Bohr's say that explanation of line spectrum of hydrogen. So hydrogen line spectrum, Bohr's named scientists can study the line spectrum of hydrogen according to their energy. It means electron can go initial state it means ground state to excited state. So energy will be increase, therefore which type of spectrum can be created? Emission spectrum. In absorption spectrum, it means energy can be down. So in a more orbit cell to goes low orbit cell, so energy will be down. It means decrease. So will high orbit to low orbit, it means high level orbit to lower orbit, energy will be decrease. So the Bohr's can study about line spectrum of hydrogen according to their high quantum levels and low quantum levels. It means in short, when the energy means electromagnetic waves in the Bohr's line spectrum, the energy will be emitted when the energy goes to high to low. It means high quantum numbers to low quantum number. In short, high quantum, low quantum, it means for high level energy means n equal to 2, 3. Suppose n equal to 3 to energy level low, when electron goes to 3 to energy level 1. So the energy between these two, it means difference of energy. So delta E is equal to energy of final cell minus energy of initial cell, and we know that equation of energy when the electron are present in orbit. So energy can be calculated by equation minus RH means Rydberg constant, divided by n square, but which n? Final energy level state n, it means NF. So remember that minus, and then already this sign will be minus RH divided by n square, but which n here? Final initial state and final state, n square f. Now initial orbit and final orbit, so clear NF and NI. Similar here EF and EI. Suppose is a nucleus, first energy level, second energy level, n equal to 1, n equal to 2. So electron goes 2 to 1. So here 2 can be represented high, it means final energy state, to n equal to 1 is represented initial, it means Ni. So here energy will be decreased when high, it means high quantum number to low quantum number, it means high orbit to low orbit, energy will be decreased. So light can be emitted. Now can the energy difference can be find out by using Rydberg constant equation. RH minus RH Rydberg constant, n is represented quantum numbers, f final. So minus plus minus RH divided by n square minus plus n square I. Now written down as RH first divided by ni square minus RH n square f, it means final state. So n square f completed. Now common RH is a common, therefore 1 upon ni square minus 1 upon nf square. Delta E, energy difference between two orbits. Now we know that equation of when the energy photon can absorption or emission the lights, so the frequency can be calculated. So the photon emission and absorption, so the frequency is represented by nu, and we know that nu is equal to delta E divided by H, frequency nu. Now value of delta E we have to find RH 1 over H square minus. So in place of delta E we put RH divided by this main division is already H here, already H here. So RH divided by H and remains term in multiplication 1 upon Ni square minus 1 upon Nf square. RH means Rydberg constant, so value is 2.18 into 10 raised to minus 18 joule. Now H is the time constant 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule into second. 1 upon n square is this 1 upon initial minus 1 upon final. After simplification this term 3.29 we get frequency 3.29 into 10 raised to 15 remains term as it is Ni square minus 1 upon final quantum number square. So completed now number of photon. Can be calculated by nu bar, and we know that nu bar is equal to V divided by C. V divided by C. How can you? It means 1 upon V. 1 upon V is equal to nu bar, reciprocal of. So nu is equal to V by C. Now value of V is equal to, we find value of nu. Sorry, not nu divided by C. Value of nu main division HC. So equation will be what? Value of this nu, and now nu bar means V divided by C. Value of V is equal to delta U into H. It means this value is represented as nu. So RH divided by H. This C can be written here and remains term multiplied by 1 upon Ni square minus 1 upon N square F. Put all value. RH upon C you can find out. This we can also. So after simplification, RH upon C into this term can be simplified by 3.90 in value of C. So you can simplify this term. So you get answer 3 into 10 raised to 15 divided by this C. C means speed of light in vacuum. 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second into 1 upon Ni square minus 1 upon F square as it is. So after simplification you get 1.09677. 1.09677 into 10 raised to 7 and remains part of the same. 1 upon Ni square. And final unit is meter inverse. So when Now discuss about, so after completed this equation, when absorption spectrum NF greater than NI in absorption spectrum. Absorption spectrum, it means what? Energy goes to down from high to low. So absorption time NF greater than Ni, it means final quantum number is greater than Ni, so energy is high to low, so the energy can be absorbed, because simple here, F is greater than, suppose F equal to 2, N equal to 2, it means which energy high? Quantum number 2. Which energy less? Quantum number 1 and 1. So simple that when goes to 2 to 1, energy will be absorbed, it means decrease. In another state, Ni is greater than Nf. Opposite. When energy is emission, when electron goes to low to high, so energy will be produced, it means energy will be increased. So in green box equation, and last the conclusion of this, so the spectrum brightness of spectrum can be depend upon absorption or emission number of photon or absorption or emission. It means the brightness of spectrum line, hydrogen spectrum, can be depend upon number of photon can be absorption or emission. In previous theory, above theory, in previous lecture or previous theory, a part of previous this chapter number 2, we know that when the electron photoelectric effect, so the energy can be applied on an atom, so photoelectron are released, so the brightness of this spectrum can be depend upon number of photon can be emission or absorption, so is depending on that. Now you have to prepare this explanation of line spectrum of hydrogen. So in sense we have to calculate energy different. After energy different, by use of Rydberg constant, Gauss equation, then convert it into frequency. Frequency means delta E divided by H. After find frequency, we can find number of photon, it means nu bar. So nu first delta E, after according to delta E find new frequency, number of photons can be released. So brightness of this spectrum can be depend upon number of photon, can be emission or absorption. In this energy, when energy will be applied or absorbed, so depend on this. So revise this video. When you can any doubts, revise this video and understand this concept. After using this concept, we have to next lecture start example by using this concept. Thank you friends.